connection is stuck. And then you tell me what you see on there. Slowly, slowly, move slowly, okay? There you go, you're fine, take it out. What do you see on there?
Right. Seeing some honey.
Okay?
Let's see the other side.
Boy babies, I think.
You see boy babies and what kind of babies that are kept? And girl babies, worker bees. The fat one are worker bees. Let me see if we see grubs. You're fine. You're doing just fine, okay? Listen.
Great job.
Okay, now you crack that one open. So you crack it. Relax, because they'll sense your fear. You just relax. You're doing good. You're doing great. So what you want to do is like this. You want to gently look. See, that little girl is looking at you. You say, "Excuse me, lady." See, and she goes further away. So you put this at an angle like that, and you push it like this. And then you do the same here, and you push it. Then you can grab it. Your job is on stick them. They're fine. They'll fly. They know how to fly. You see any grubs?
No grubs I'm seeing, but some gaps.
Yeah, we want to see grubs. So none on your side.
None on my side.
So put it back in there, and then you slide it in there. Slowly. Let's crack that one open. Before you go like this, right in between. There you go. Go ahead. And do the same here. And then you're going to grab that one out, okay? Whatever happens, if you're scared, don't let it go on the floor, okay? They're not going to attack you or anything, so you're going to grab it out if you want. Go ahead. Grab it from the middle where you have a good. Remember, they cannot sting you through those gloves. And don't drop it, just carefully. If you have a problem with it, you let me know, I'll grab it from you. Okay? This is almost full of, on my side, of capped comb.
Sorry.
Turn around, she'll take your pictures and you can show everybody how well you did. Almost smile too, so it doesn't look like you're so scared.
Yep, that's terrifying. It's super cool. You did it. All right. I like the ones with their heads.
Here. Now show you guys the hold on. Come back this way, the way you had it, and you slowly lower it. Very slowly. I'll tell you when to stop. You're doing just fine, okay? You're doing just fine. Now let that side go. Let that side go. Then you slide it over now. Almost touch, so it touches the next one. Slide it gently. You don't want to squish these on the shoulder here, so if you go really slow, they'll move out of the way.
Good job.
Now, look at this one.
Yay.
I gave it to you guys to look. I need some answers. So what do we see? Look better. Look closely.
What is it?
Look very
On my
close.
side, is it like some white things in the back there? In the middle?
You see a lot of itsy grubs toward the top.
Oh, it's the top.
Toward the top, there's more. On this side, maybe.
Oh,
Look, this side is covered. I thought I gave them to you. Here, let me see.
Sorry about that.
No, that's fine. I'm going to show you the guy this side. Okay, this side has a ton of them. So hold it this way, and you press it around that way. Oh, it's you. You gonna hold it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Now look here. Look how small they are. The smaller, the better. That means the younger they are. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Sometimes you see eggs, but the eggs are so small. It's like a minute grain of rice that is in the bottom. And because we use natural foundation, when you use the black, some people use plastic as a base. And if you use dark plastic, then you can see the eggs. I have a picture on my phone I can show you once we're done here. But you see little tiny grubs, little tiny seeds on the bottom. So that's perfect. We have our answer, yes?
Yeah.
So let's slap that frame back in there. and close it up. Now this frame would have to go, this part here would have to go that way. That's the way it came out. So yeah, exactly. Now again, hold it from the top like this because it's easier to put it down when if not your gloves get stuck on the end. There you go. And then you put it slowly. And then what you guys are going to do is you're going to push all the frame back that way and put that last frame back in. Then we're going to close them back up. See what time it is, if we have time for questions and all that. Oh, 10:16, perfect. Okay?
Here we go, guys.
Okay,
Good
so
job.
You guys need to do is you need to push those 3 frames all the way back to this without pushing any of these. So the best way to do it is to put the tool here against the shoulder on each side and you push it both at the same time. There you go.
Let's try this.